Health benefits of passionfruit peel flour, what you need to know. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Subscribe to our channel and like this video. It is very important for us to continue our work. In today's video, we will be discussing the health benefits of passionfruit peel flour. Passionfruit is a tropical fruit that is well known for its delicious taste, but did you know that the peel of the fruit is also incredibly nutritious? In this video, we'll be exploring the many health benefits of passionfruit peel flour. 1. Rich in fiber, passionfruit peel flour is an excellent source of dietary fiber, which is important for maintaining a healthy digestive system. The high fiber content of the flour helps to regulate bowel movements and prevent constipation. 2. Promotes heart health. Passionfruit peel flour contains a high amount of antioxidants, which can help to reduce inflammation and lower the risk of heart disease. The antioxidants in the flour also help to protect the body against cellular damage caused by free radicals. 3. Supports weight loss. Passionfruit peel flour is low in calories and high in fiber, making it an ideal food for those looking to lose weight. The high fiber content of the flour helps to promote feelings of fullness, which can help to reduce overall calorie intake. 4. Boosts immune system. Passionfruit peel flour contains a range of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, which is important for maintaining a healthy immune system. Vitamin C is an antioxidant that helps to protect the body against harmful pathogens and infections. 5. Anti-cancer properties. Studies have shown that passionfruit peel contains compounds that may have anti-cancer properties. The antioxidants and polyphenols found in the peel may help to prevent the growth of cancer cells and reduce the risk of certain types of cancer. Passionfruit peel flour is a nutritious and versatile ingredient that can be used in a wide range of recipes. Whether you're looking to boost your fiber intake, support your immune system, or reduce your risk of heart disease and cancer, passionfruit peel flour is a great choice. We hope you found this video informative, and if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative videos like this. Thank you for watching.